In this video, I'll walk you through the process of transferring files from internal storage to an SD card on your Nintendo Switch, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Transferring files from internal storage to an SD card on the Nintendo Switch frees up system storage for updates and new games while optimizing space management. It also allows for easier portability and backup of data. To begin the process of transferring data on your Nintendo Switch, open the controller interface and navigate to the Settings menu. Once you're on the Settings page, you will notice a left-hand side menu panel. From this panel, select the Data Management option. Upon entering the Data Management section, choose Move Data Between System and microSD Card. The system will first check the available free space on both your system and microSD card before proceeding. After this check, you'll be directed to the next page where you can choose the option to Move to microSD card. At this point, you'll need to select the game or software that you want to move. You can go through your list and choose a specific item. For example, let's say you select the first game on the list. Once you make your selection, the Move Data button will appear. Click on this button, and the system will prompt you to confirm the action. Once you're ready, click on the Move button again to start the transfer. The data movement will begin, and depending on the size of the game or software, it may take a few moments to complete. After the process is finished, you can verify the available space again to ensure that the transfer was successful. If you need to move additional software or games, simply repeat the same steps. This method ensures a smooth and organized way to manage your storage on the Nintendo Switch. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.